Hey, Zach, what are you doing? Zachary?
Oh,
Zachary?
go open the door.
Hmm?
Make that door squeak over there.
Yeah, okay. See you later, Zach. See you later, Zach. Bye, Zach. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Bye. Bye, Zach.
Zach, back out of there.
Zachary.
At my door.
Yeah, well.
Zachary.
You sure we can't suffocate her?
You.
Hey, I'm scared.
You moving?
He's thinking.
Zach, what are you doing? When he goes running down that way, make sure you get the camera and get all over the floor.
Zachary. Zachary, what you doing? What are you doing? You having fun? What was that? What were you? What did you do? What did you do?
You made a
What
mess.
did you do to it? Look at that. It's a disaster. It's a disaster. Look at that. You call that a bed? Our vacuum cleaner is working today, isn't it?
You're gonna need
I don't think
another
I've ever
vacuum
tried to
cleaner
pick
for
up
this.
foam with it.
Oh my
Was there something about that bed you didn't like, Zach? Zachary, was there something about the bed you didn't like? Oh, you like it now? You like it now?
God. Turn it over, Zach. Turn it over. Hey,
You're happy with yourself, aren't you? Think you're a real comedian.
look at the mess of the office you made. Diane's gonna die when she does.
Diane's gonna wonder what hit this place. Zachary, you're a knucklehead.
Get back in it, Zach. That was funny.
You kill it, Zach.
He goes.
Make sure it's dead. You can see the hole right through it. Oh my God. When did he start doing that? He just went in there?
Yeah,
You
he
just
just
noticed?
picked it
He
up.
just decided he was going to... He's upset because we didn't have pizza and grinders today.
Yeah, it is the first day. Blame this on Avis. It's her fault.
Zachary, what are you doing? Zachary. Yoo-hoo. Alright, don't pay attention to me.
You gotta get him to run down that way so the camera can go down and get all the crap he left all over the floor.
Yeah. Zachary, what in the heck do you think you're doing?
Mommy's gonna love to see this video.
Maybe we better not show Mommy this video. This is what Zach did when he came back to the office.
Yeah, I bet you're thirsty.
Too much. Now what are you going to sleep in, Zach? This is the mess that Zach created.
Zach, where's Dad? Get Dad. Where's Dad?
Come here, Zach. Come here, Zach. Hey, Zach. Zach. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Okay, show me. Show me over here. Show me what you're doing. Show me what you're doing. Come on. Show me what you're doing. What you doing? What you doing? You proud of yourself here? You proud of yourself? Oh, you're going to make sure that every piece is in a zillion pieces, right? There's a hole right through it. You're going to leave no stone unturned. What are you going to do when you're done with it, Zach? Oh, you're going to put it on your head. You're going to make a hat for it. Oh, now you're going to move it right through the office. Make sure you make a complete mess of the place. Oh my goodness. Moral of the story is don't buy Shih Tzus foam beds. Or anything they think they can destroy. Nice hat you got there. That's right, brace it so you can tear it some more. Oh, you like the way it is now? What are you doing? Did someone give him some wacky juice today? Okay, Zach, I think we're gonna...
I don't think so.